Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video explaining one of my recent blog posts about automatically encrypting Ansible secrets before committing them to a Git repo. We can do this with a Git hook. It's a simple, automated way of not having to worry about encrypting your Ansible secrets and accidentally pushing them unencrypted to Git. So I guess first thing we need to start off with is some vars or something that you want to encrypt. We have our example group vars in my Ansible folder. Key 1, pass 1, very, very important stuff. And then what we needed to do was we need to go into the .git folder for our repository. So this is my project repository, and we are inside the .git folder up here. We want to go down to something called hooks, and then over to a script, and then we want to create a script called pre-commit. So we can do that with something like this. Then after we do that, we want to make it executable. So you just change the mode, X, pre-commit. Then inside of the pre-commit hook, we want to write the following bash script. So obviously set the shebang to whatever's going to work for you. Then we say for I in find. So from the root of the Git repository, so if we have a look at here, my Git repository doesn't start in the Ansible folder, starts one out from it. So in the root I say, oops, sorry, let's make Git ignore. Pre-commit, there we go. So we want to find everything in Ansible, inventories production, which is my environment name, and then everything in the group vars folder. We're going to find it by the type F, so I'm going to find all the files. And then we're going to say Ansible vault encrypt for I, so that's all of the files in a loop. I have a bunch of sort of keys, like development keys, stored on my local dev machine because this is just for home projects. And then when it does that, it's going to say encrypted because it's encrypted the file, and it's nice to have some output. So it does that for everything in the group vars and host vars files, folders, and you can just kind of get it to encrypt whatever files you want, I guess, just by adding another line, like down here. I'm pointing it, add another folder, like that. And I guess that's all that the Git the Git hook does. Very nice. So then, when we try and commit something, if we go to git status, we can type, and we can, whoa, it's going to be a big ass git commit, but that's fine. Let's just, there's a file which I accidentally generated. File which I accidentally made. So we'll just git commit that, and if we run that, then we'll see here that our git commit hook will go through and encrypt everything before it commits it. And now it commits it, and it's committed, and it's all encrypted now. So we don't have to worry about accidentally pushing secrets to GitHub anymore. Another thing that I found useful to do is to have an unlock script as well. So just in my tools folder down here, I've got a little script called unlockansible.sh, which pretty much does the same thing as the encryption script, except decrypts instead of encrypts. So I just created this, made it executable, and I run this whenever I want to change some of my Ansible vars. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.